Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to a product that's going to completely transform the way you clean your home. If you're tired of spending hours vacuuming and mopping, or if you're a pet owner dealing with endless fur, you're going to love this. I'm talking about the Roborock Q7 Max Robot Vacuum and Mop. This thing is a total powerhouse, and I can't wait to show you why. Stick around, you're going to be impressed. Let's be honest. Keeping your floors clean can feel like a full-time job, right? Whether it's dust, pet hair, or sticky spills, it's a lot to handle. And if you have a mix of hard floors and carpets, you know how tricky it can be to keep everything spotless. That's where the Roborock Q7 Max comes in. It's not just a vacuum. It's a vacuum and mop combo that does the hard work for you, so you can focus on the things that really matter. Now, let me walk you through why this robot is so incredible. First off, it has 4200 PA suction power. Yes, you heard that right. That's enough to lift debris, pet hair, and even deep-seated dirt from carpets. And when it detects carpets, it automatically boosts suction to give you a thorough clean. But here's what really sets it apart. It can vacuum and mop at the same time. That's right, no more switching between tasks. It has an electronic pump with 30 adjustable water flow levels, so you can customize the mopping intensity based on your floor type. Whether you're dealing with hardwood, tile, or carpets, this robot has you covered. And let's talk about navigation. The Q7 Max uses PreciSense LiDAR technology to create precise 3D maps of your home. It identifies the most efficient cleaning routes and even lets you virtually recreate your space in the app. You can add furniture, set no-go zones, and create No-Mop Zones, perfect for keeping it away from rugs or delicate areas. Oh, and it has an all-rubber brush that's designed to resist tangles from long hair and pet hair. No more frustrating cleanups after it's done its job. Plus, it has a combined dustbin and water tank, 470 milliliters for dust and 350 milliliters for water, so you can enjoy longer cleaning sessions without constantly emptying or refilling. Here's another thing I love. It has a 180-minute runtime on a single charge, covering up to 3,229 square feet. That's enough to clean most homes without interruption. And when it's done or running low on battery, it automatically returns to its charging base. You can control it through the app, Google Assistant, or Alexa, so it's super convenient to use. Whether you're at home or on the go, you can start, stop, or schedule cleaning with just a few taps or a simple voice command. All right. So here's the deal. If you're tired of spending hours cleaning or just want a smarter way to keep your floors spotless, the Roborock Q7 Max is the answer. It's powerful, smart, and packed with features that make cleaning effortless. I've left the link to this amazing robot in the description below. If you're interested, just click the link. It'll take you straight to Amazon where you can check it out for yourself. And hey, if you do decide to grab one, it really helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance if you use my link. But honestly, even if you don't buy it, I highly recommend checking it out. It's one of those products that just makes life better. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've tried the Roborock Q7 Max or if you're thinking about getting one. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome product recommendations, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.